Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to block Fi account. Easy method. Open the Fi app, tap Settings, choose Security, then select Block Account and confirm the PIN to pause transactions instantly and protect your balance while you investigate. Open the Fi app and sign in with your preferred method. Then go straight to Settings and choose Security to find the Block Account option and tap it. Confirm with your account PIN, and the block activates immediately while you secure any linked accounts or cards. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and get more easy guides. Quick recommendation. A book that can truly change how you think about money is The Simple Path to Wealth, and it pairs nicely with learning to protect your accounts. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. After blocking, review recent transactions and note anything suspicious to report. Contact Fi support if you see unauthorized charges and change any linked service passwords. When ready, return to Security in the app to unblock and restore normal access to your funds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.